Alright, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. I got a sticker trade here to do. It's a little bit different than normal because I kind of messed up. I've already done this video, but my audio was not worth a flip. So instead of trying to do a voiceover, we're just going to redo the video here. But I've already got the stickers up on the wall, so that's why we're kind of doing it like this. But with that being said, hope everybody's having an awesome day. But we got a sticker video. If you can see, this is Maddy's Nifty creation. She sent me some stickers. I got a sticker from her and one from each of Johnny's channels. Johnny, that's her husband. Y'all have to go check them out. I'm gonna have everybody's link in my description. But there's 3 channels here. All right, we got Maddy's Nifty Creations. That's the first channel. Go check it out. Of course, what it says, Nifty Creations. She does a lot of little hobbies and crafts and stuff. Does a lot of sewing. Awesome channel, very respectable. So if anybody goes to this channel, please go in with respect. If you do that with anybody's channel, treat it like it would be yours. You know, treat it with some respect. But that's all she asks. Awesome community, awesome chat. Her husband, Mr. Johnny, he's got a channel, Cooking Time with Johnny. That's pretty good. You go in there and watch that, you're gonna leave hungry. It needs to have warning labels. I mean, I'm just saying. Then his other channel is Johnny's Corner. That's got some magnet fishing and adventures and stuff, and that's just awesome. I love to see what they pull up when they go magnet fishing. But here we go. I've got them up already. That's Cooking Time with Johnny. There's Maddy's Nifty Creations, and there's Johnny's Corner. Now, y'all go check out those channels. Like I said, I'm going to have a link for them in my description. And of course, my sticker board, we got it getting full. So there's awesome channels up here. Everybody's channel will be in the description. Y'all go check out those links. Give them some love. And again, thank you so much for tuning in. Everybody stay awesome, stay laid back. And remember, it's my job to be grumpy. And God bless everybody. Y'all have a great day.